Hi, hello, salam, namaste, vanakkam, namaskarakalo. Welcome to Investor Outlook channel. So today let's discuss about Ganesh Green Bharat SME IPO, which is going to live soon. So let's discuss about this detail about the company and IPO details. So coming to starting with the Ganesh Green Bharat Limited company, this company was incorporated in 2016 April, and this is an electrical contracting service company. This company offers a range of services including supply, installation, testing, commissioning of solar and electrical goods and services to various bodies. So, and the company has completed projects under various government schemes such as Saubhagya scheme, Kusuma scheme, Saura Sochana, Sujila Yojana, all many government schemes we can see. And also, additionally, they have ventured into designing, building, installing, operating, and maintaining water supply projects like Mukhyamantri Nishchay Quality Affected Yojana and Har Ghar Jal Jeevan Mission. So we can see that this company is doing a lot of government related projects. Even though the company has started in 2016, we can see that it has acquired very good projects both in public as well as private sector. And going to the management side perspective, they have a strong management and has like more than 15 to 20 years of experience in the field of green energy, entrepreneurs and director, all these things. If we see all our young team is here, we can see that. And we can also see that nowadays company is pushing more and more towards green resource and the green energy. So looking at the future perspective, the company is going to get more benefit from government itself apart from the private projects. So one can consider taking position in the company for future growth as well as making some good profits in the company. So yeah. And next, going to the IPO details, this issue size of the IPO is 125 crores, and this is a fresh issue. And the price brand of per share is 181 rupees to 190 rupees. So, and the lot size is minimum lot size is 600 shares, and for retailers, and the maximum is also they have limited to one lot only. You can see here, and the shares can be allotted is 600 shares only, and it is listing in both an NSE SME IPO. And fundraising objectives, if we check on the why this company is mainly raising the funds, is first is the repayment in full or in parts of certain outstanding borrowings. So they have to repay the outstanding borrowings first, debt repayment. And next, if you see capital expenditure towards installation of additional plant and machinery at the factory, and also to make meet working capital requirements and general corporate purpose. So these are the main reasons for fundraising in this IPO. And coming to the financials, if you look at the chart from 2022 to 2024 financial year, the revenue of the company as well as the assets of the company is almost doubled. And we can see there from 2023 to 2024 in lakhs, so 8,786 lakhs to 15 lakhs, 15,000 lakhs assets has been increased, and revenue is also been increased from 9 lakhs to 17 lakhs. And revenue for compared to 2023 in a year, it is increased for almost 89.82%, which is a good note, and note to be kept. And also profits all also is being grew almost 167 percentage compared from 2023 to 2024. There is a huge growth in the profits and revenue, and the net worth is also being increased. If you look at their key ratios like return on equity and return on capital employment, the role is 46% and the ROC is 29%. So number looks good, very positive. And however, one must have keep the things in mind that before the company coming to the IPO, most of the companies will have better number. However, some companies fail to deliver the same numbers post IPO. So one must have, if anyone is planning to invest in the company, keep a track and keep closure of the track of the results that is being provided, and quarter to quarter basis. So next, coming to the IPO subscription details, the IPO is opening on Friday, July 5th, 2024, and it is closing on July 9th. So the basic allotment of is on basis allotment is on July 10th, and initiation and credit of shares to demat account will happen on July 11th. So and the listing of this company will happen on July 12th, that is Friday. So these are the key points to keep in mind. And then coming to the reservation. So overall in the IPO, whatever they are coming up. So for QIB, not more than 50%. And for retailers, so they have allotted for 35%. And in HNI category, they have allotted for 15%. And register and link to check the IPO allotment status is KFin Technologies Limited. You can see in the screen, you can we have given the website link. You can search in this website link for the allotment status when it is next. For coming to the overall review of this company, the company has a very bright future perspective, and also the valuations of the company looks like to be fully priced in based on 2024 earnings. And also company looks very good for the short term as well as long term. However, before investing, please do your own research and analysis and then take the final decision based on the subscription rate on the final day of IPO closure. And we could recommend it is very good for investors considering for medium and long term. Again, to add, the SME are very risky, so please do your own analysis and research and then take final call together to apply or not. Thanks for watching the video. Please do share, like, and subscribe.